Oh man, that was funny. How is that, buddy? The cat wrangler. Blakey, let me see how much you like that.
Whoa. You do like it.
Pretty good. Is there still any in there?
How much?
Let me see. Tip your bowl this way so I can see. There's a little. Can you get it out? He's trying.